Trisha Sharma was told to stay, Deepika Nagar was told to adjust, and before them, thousands of women were taught that suffering silently is a virtue. Why is divorce still treated like a social stain, but a daughter crying herself to sleep is considered normal married life? Why are parents more afraid of relatives gossiping than their daughter losing her mind, dignity, or life? Let us say this clearly. Divorce is not a taboo. Abandoning your daughter emotionally is. A dead daughter never comes back. And what are we even protecting? Family honor. There's no honor in teaching women endurance without escape. There's no culture in forcing someone to survive cruelty for appearances. There's no dignity in sacrificing daughters at the altar of societal approval. If your daughter can come to you when she fails an exam, when she loses a job, when she is heartbroken before marriage, then why does marriage suddenly become the one institution that she must survive at any cost? Marriage is supposed to be companionship. It is not supposed to be captivity, which is decorated in some manner. And our generation must end this cycle. We, the millennials and the Gen Zs, must stop glorifying tolerance when it becomes self-destruction. We must normalize that daughters can come home. We must normalize therapy. We must normalize separation. We must normalize saying, no, my child will not die proving that she was a good wife or a good daughter-in-law, because the most dangerous thing we teach Indian women is this, that your pain is temporary. Adjust. No. Pain that is ignored becomes trauma. Trauma repeated becomes generational silence, and generational silence becomes statistics. Every dowry death headline begins much earlier, with a daughter who once tried to ask for help carefully so she would not burden her parents. Imagine that. A child raised for decades still feeling that she has no right to come home. That is not tradition. That is emotional exile. And if this generation truly wants progress, then progress is not just women entering offices or boardrooms. Progress is parents saying, if my daughter is unsafe, unhappy, humiliated, or harassed, my home remains hers. No questions asked.